Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. UAS English Assessment. My name is Juheria. Name UX 622 Prodi PG PAUD Semester 1. Sporting Nature Heri Wardana SPD MPD Pancasakti Bekasi University 2022. Chapter 11 Sentence. A. Definition of sentence. Sentence or word is known as a sentence is a group of words that has at least one subject, main sentence, and one predicate sentence descent, and contains perfect or complete meaning, or a group of words that express a complete thought and a meaning that can be understood clearly. Look at the example sentence below. I go to school every day with my friend Nelly. In the example, the first sentence above contains a complete thought and has a clear meaning, so it can be colored sentence. However, in the second example sentence above, it does not contain a complete thought and has a clear meaning, so it can be called a sentence. Sentence elements. A. Sentence is the structure of the English language consists of several sentence elements which contain maximum of 5 elements, namely one subject, the subject word or group or word related or the tension. The subject usually objects but no requests. At the beginning of the sentence, the subject is person, object, or animal. To find out the subject of a sentence, we can ask questions such as who or what. Example sentence: Who Donny speak English every day? Groups normally simple subject, compound subject. A simple subject. Simple subject is the subject in sentence that consists of one syllable. The subject belonging to the simple subject, namely, among other noun. Example of sentence. Washington D.C. is the capital of the United States of America. Pronouns. Example of sentence. He has a new car. He has breakfast every morning. Adjective used as noun. Example of sentences. Therefore, we're already trying to find her. The lazy will not be successful. Infinite uses as a noun. Example of sentence doing that is harder saying it is easy. Participle outgrown used as a noun. Example of sentence. Collecting stamp is my hobby. B. Compound subject. Compound subject is a subject that consists of two or more words which are intended as a single unit. Example of sentence. The red dress with polka dots is mine. The glass of milk is on the table. In a sentence that is no subject, the word at and then there can be considered as subject. Visual subject. Example of sentence. Today is beautiful day. There are so many books on my bookshelf. 2. Predicate. Predicate is a word used to describe the state of the subject. In English, a sentence must have a predicate, called a verb. If there is no verb, is in a non-verbal sentence. where the predicate is a something other than a verb, there must be an auxiliary verb to find out the predicate of sentence. We can ask questions such as how, why, or what are you doing? Example of verbal sentence. I woke in the morning. Monica is studying Indonesia culture. Does he sing a Western song? Example of non-verbal sentence. I am a doctor. Noun. Dorothy is beautiful. Adjective. My bag is on the table. Profession. My father rehearsed. Adverb. 3. Object or suffer. The object is the noun or pronoun that is the target of the predicate. The object in sentence very necessary waits aims to complete. The intents of the verb objects in a sentence are divided into one kids normally direct objects and indirect objects. A. Direct object. The direct object is the word first of clause that is directly affected by the action of the verb. This direct object can be shorthand for with a question such as who or what receives the action of the verb. Example of sentence. The village people welcome him. We decided to hold weekly meeting. B. Indirect object. The indirect object is the word or word smite at be the action of the verb being carried out. This indirect object can be sanctioned with question such as to one or for what the action of the verb carried out. This indirect object usually found in action of the verb B is carried on. This indirect object usually found in sentence the also contain direct object. The indirect object is usually location before the direct object or after the direct object, which give a preposition such as to me or for me, which are commonly called propositional object. In addition, there are a number of flexible transitive verbs which can be direct object plus propositional object or indirect object plus direct object. Example of sentence: the village welcomed him. We decided to hold week meeting. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.